How to use the Snow Lotus Beauty Mask. Step 1. Start by cleansing your face. Step 2. Open the package and remove the mask. Step 3. The mask has 2 protective films. Remove the first film from the side that will come into contact with your skin. Step 4. Apply the mask on the face and remove the outer film. Smooth the mask with your fingers to ensure it covers your entire face and adheres closely to your skin. Step 5. Relax and leave the mask on for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to fully absorb into your skin. Remove the mask and massage in any remaining serum. There's no need to rinse your face. Enjoy the Snow Lotus Beauty Mask experience.